All right, so the first web-based technology that I discovered was DeltaMath, which this is um, a cool website, just for math teachers specifically, and especially for teachers at the middle school and high school levels. Um, it's got a good mix of kind of like mental math, um, pre-algebra type concepts here in the top portion in the blue, the light blue, and then it comes down and gives you some different examples of some algebra concepts, and it basically hits every sort of algebra concept that the standards hit, and it follows along with different parts of the book, and splits them up into nice small little chunks that are easy to work with. Here in the orange, it goes through geometry and then some algebra 2, some pre-calculus in the red, and then some calculus here. So really cool, and also a few sections of computer science too on the bottom. Now, this is a really cool website because it allows teachers to actually assign stuff to students. So I can get in here and create a like standard assignment. I could say, I don't know, we're just going to do mental math today. So I can name it that. I can pick a period and say if I've got all my different classes that I teach, say I want to do this 1A Algebra 1B class, I can post it immediately later at a specific time. I'm just going to say immediately. Then I go over here and I click the different things I want to do. So if I want to do mental math, let's say we work with perfect squares. Okay. I can actually choose this thing, and let's see, that's on the assignment. Now I just need to go to the skills. So if I want to do the perfect squares, I could preview it like I just did and click on it. And then I just need to hit this plus sign, and then it adds it over here to the assignment on the left. I can change the number of the required questions to 15. I can change the time limit, and then I could change the percentage of credit that they need to get. So there's a lot of different options you have that you can play with. So it's a very cool website. I can also change the due date, so I can make it. I could create the assignment, make it known immediately. I get my students to also create an account, and then they would pick which class they're in, and I would get them all in there, and then I could just shoot it out to all the students in my class, and then create the assignment based on. You have to have a due date, but I could just I could choose that, and you could have as many skills as you want, and you can change the required number of questions to whatever you want. Now, as far as answering some of these questions, why I selected this resource, it's a great, number one, it's a great add-on tool for math teachers, kind of a supplemental deal where you don't have to just go straight out of the book, and also it allows students to get immediate feedback, so they can know exactly what they did right or wrong right after answering a problem, versus if you give them book work, unless it's the odds, they can't really know for sure what they're doing wrong, and then it also gives them the feedback as to what they're doing wrong. So that's a really cool thing. My purpose behind this was just I was looking for an online resource for math problems and slash curriculum, and this covers all the different stuff that I would need personally, and basically for any high school math teacher, it covers all the different concepts they need to cover. My intended audience is teachers and also parents, other teachers that want to use it in their class, or for parents that want to give their students a little challenge at home, and just a little bit of extra work if the kid maybe for punishment or whatever. The two ISTE standards that were covered: ISTE 1A, set professional learning goals to explore and apply pedagogical approaches made possible by technology and reflect on their effectiveness. This helped allow me to explore another approach, an online approach to math, which isn't a very it's not a concept that's really done too much in the math world. And then also ISTE 2C, model for colleagues, the identification, exploration, evaluation, curation, and adoption of new digital resources, so I could model for my fellow math teachers and also you guys the use of this new type of technology and new tool. So there's DeltaMath.